Hey everyone, it's Christina from Digital Content Solutions, and today we're talking about how to go beyond the funnel to build a 90-day marketing system that actually helps you stay consistent, intentional, and aligned with your audience. In this session, you'll learn how to turn your funnel into a sustainable marketing strategy, link your content types to each stage of your buyer's journey, and test, refine, and build a system that grows with your business. Here's the thing, funnels are useful, but systems are sustainable. Funnels help you organize your marketing. They show you what your potential client needs at each stage, but a funnel by itself doesn't help you create content every week. That's what this video is about. Turning that funnel into something you can actually execute, a system that connects your content, your platforms, and your offers in a way that flows naturally. So once you've mapped your buyer's journey, the next step is to turn that into a strategy. Here's my framework: map, match, connect, refine. First, map your buyer's journey. That's your foundation. Then match content types to each stage. Next, connect them so each piece leads to the next. And finally, refine the system based on what's actually working. That's how you transform a linear funnel into a marketing system. Let's break that down with examples. In the awareness stage, your audience is saying, I'm exploring. Here, you want content that educates and attracts, like YouTube videos, blogs, or social posts. In the consideration stage, they're saying, I'm interested. This is where downloads, tutorials, and email sequences come in, something that builds trust and proves value. And finally, in the decision stage, your audience is saying, I'm ready. So you guide them toward a discovery call, workshop, or offer that helps them take action. Each stage needs content with a purpose. Now, this is the part I love: designing the flow. Think of your content like a conversation. Someone watches your YouTube video, they click the link to read your blog, the blog links to a free download, the download triggers an email sequence, and that email invites them to your next workshop or offer. That's a marketing system. But here's the thing, this flow is just one example. Your version might look completely different depending on your business. If you run a service based business, maybe your flow moves from a social post to a free resource to a discovery call. If you're selling products, it could be a video review, blog with product links, and then a limited time offer email. Or if you're an educator or a coach, it might lead people from a podcast, free guide, to a workshop or a mini course. The point isn't to copy a formula, it's to design a system that reflects how your audience naturally makes decisions. When you align your content flow with your client journey, you make it easier for people to take action. And as you go through this for 90 days, you'll start to see exactly what connects and what needs refining. This is where you start optimizing. Your first 90 days aren't about perfection, they're about discovery. Here's how to approach it: test with intention. Set one goal. Maybe it's more engagement, more downloads, or more inquiries. Then test one variable at a time: the topic, format, or call to action. Learn from the patterns. What gets saved, shared, or clicked? What feels easiest for you to create? Those are signs of alignment. Lean into them. Then optimize. Double down on what performs and feels good. Repurpose your best content across platforms and make sure every piece connects back to the next. As you optimize, your goal isn't to be doing more, it's doing what works on purpose. When you do this, your marketing transforms. Before, it might have felt scattered, lots of posts, no clear direction. After, it becomes a system that feeds your funnel, reflects your strategy, supports consistent creation, and moves clients seamlessly from discovery to action. That's the difference between just posting and building a content system that actually grows your business. And here's the best part: you don't have to do it all manually. Once you've mapped your strategy, AI can help you run the system. These are three tools I highly recommend. ChatGPT can help you plan your content calendar, brainstorm ideas, and write copy for all of your content. OpusClip can take your long form videos, like this one, and turn them into short, scroll stopping clips for you to post. Castmagic can repurpose your podcast or video transcripts into blogs, emails, or social captions. helping you save time and repurpose your content across every platform. Remember, AI doesn't replace your strategy, it reinforces it. The system is yours. AI just helps you run it smoother. I will also include links to these AI softwares below. If you want help designing your own system, grab the free 90-day marketing system worksheet. You can download it using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for joining. Leave a comment with any questions you have. Remember, work smarter, not harder. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next video. You can learn more or connect with me at createdcs.com or follow at createdcs on social. See you next time.